Ancient soil, the first temperature crossing in the firelight, opened the epic chapter of stone carving and pottery. On every fine land texture, the flame's temperature quietly reshapes humanity's oldest art. The web of time slowly unfolds. In the red earth layers of the Indian subcontinent, primitive humans first captured the potential of soil meeting fire, opening the path to the birth of the first pottery. African Sahara's dry clay, gradually hardening under high-temperature baking. Archaeological evidence shows this marks humanity's shift from hunter-gatherer to settled life. Paleoclimatology proves that during the post-Ice Age Earth warming, organic components in soil caused tiny cracks on pottery surfaces, signaling the awakening of temperature power. From the perspective of evolutionary biology, ancient human fingers probed the soil, passing on the genetic memory of fire and soil fusion. Archaeological early pottery shards, stacked in layers against the backdrop of ancient climate warming, clearly record the first crossing of soil meeting fire. Fertile alluvial plain by the Tigris River in the Middle East, soil completed one temperature ritual after another between sunlight and campfire. Genomics research shows that early pottery makers carried gene mutations that helped them adapt faster to soil transformation in high-temperature environments. Paleoclimatology reveals that the melting of plateau ice at the end of the last ice age caused a surge in water content in valley soil, making it easy to form in fire. Evolutionary biology evidence indicates that human brains gained strengthened precision in controlling soil during fire adaptation. In archaeological sites, the early layers where stone carving and pottery coexist perfectly illustrate the material crossing from soft to hard after soil meets fire. In the Los land belt of the Middle Yellow River in East Asia, the temperature crossing of soil meeting fire quietly spread in the rise of agricultural civilization. Paleoclimatology data confirms that the warm climate period around 5000 BCE provided ideal temperature conditions for lowest pottery. Archaeological early painted pottery shards, the remaining fire traces on them are the direct evidence of soil's sublimation in the fierce flame. From the evolutionary biology perspective, human retina's adaptation to high-temperature light helped them better observe and capture the critical moments of pottery firing. Paleoclimatology and genomics together prove that the genetic diversity carried by these early pottery is the secret to human civilization's survival and reproduction in temperature challenges. Evolutionary biology research confirms that while human brains evolved at the end of the Ice Age, they also evolved the ability to precisely control soil and fire. Archaeological evidence spans the globe, from Peru's Andes Mountains in America to Australia's interior. Every site records the temperature crossing of soil meeting fire. Paleoclimatology data indicates that 10 to 15 degrees Celsius warming after the last ice age provided a stable heat source for humanity's earliest pottery making. Genomics analysis shows that early gene mutations involved in pottery making helped ancient humans survive in cold environments. From a neutral academic perspective, stone carving and pottery are not mere craftsmanship, but products of soil and fierce fire evolving together under Earth's environmental pressure. The temperature crossing of soil meeting fierce fire has not ended. It will continue to write the temperature epics of every civilization on Earth. The web of time weaves through global ancient sites, waiting for the next generation of scholars to uncover the ultimate mystery of soil and flame fusion. Every temperature crossing is recorded in the fine soil cracks. Ancient humans' hands left eternal marks in the hot soil. Pottery shards under the firelight begin to narrate the story of civilization's birth. The red soil completed its first hardening ritual in the fierce flame. Ancient humans' fingers gently pressed, and the soil obeyed the call of fire. Earth's warming quietly awakens the primitive art, The valley soil was repeatedly baptized between sunlight and campfire. The secret of genes is hidden inside every early pottery. Brain evolution made precise control of soil possible. The coexistence of stone carving and pottery witnessed the complete material transformation. The fire marks on Los mark the beginning of agricultural civilization. The retinas adapted to every change in high-temperature light. Temperature tests created the secret gene library of human civilization. The evolutionary history of the brain intertwines with the fusion of soil and fire. Global sites connect the traces of temperature crossings like a web. 10 to 15 degrees Celsius warmth laid the foundation for civilization. The miracle of gene mutations in cold environments continues. Craftsmanship and environment jointly wrote the temperature legend of Earth. Every crossing opened a new chapter of civilization. Human art gained the power of immortality from soil. The land under the firelight writes eternal epics. The power of temperature has never stopped. It will continue to advance. Every civilization on Earth is waiting for this key to temperature. The fusion of soil and flame constitutes the foundation of human history. The web of time will continue to extend, connecting all temperature miracles. The temperature crossing of soil meeting fierce fire never ends.